This is a simple potato salad recipe. Cut 5 potatoes into big chunks like this. For best results, we are using russet potato for this recipe. Put them into a pot with water to cover and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Shred half a carrot and add them into the pot. Let the potato boil until soft. In the meantime, we have chopped 5 small gherkins into small pieces. This is 4 hard-boiled eggs. Cut them into small pieces. We have cooked the potato for 15 minutes. We started timing from the time we turned on the gas just now. The potato is soft. Drain away the water. We are now going to put the pot back onto the stove to dry the potato. Keep moving the potato until they are dry, fluffy, and powdery like this. Transfer the potato into a mixing bowl. Cut the big chunks into small pieces but do not mash the potato. When the potato has cooled a little, say after about 3 minutes, add a teaspoon of mixed herb. And add some salt and pepper. Let the potato cool. When the potato is cooled, add the picked cucumber. And then add the egg. Add mayonnaise to taste. We have added about 7 tablespoons. Mix and keep the potato salad in the fridge until ready to serve. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe and share the video with your family and friends.